Hey y'all, so my mom used to make these crunchy tacos back in the day, and they are so bomb and they're super easy and cheap to make. She actually passed away a couple years ago, so I can't ask her like exactly how she did it, but from what I remember, she always had potatoes in there. I boiled 3, but I only used 2 of these, and just boil them whole until they are soft and you can peel off the skin. And then I used a whole chicken and just shredded it up. You can use leftover chicken, leftover whatever type of meat. That's what my mom always did. And then I added a can of tomatoes just for flavor and texture, and just a whole bunch of seasoning. Just throw some seasonings in there, mix it up, taste it. You can always add more. I also added some garlic salt after I mix this up. And then, yeah, it is gonna look like this. Doesn't look that cute, but I promise it's gonna taste bomb. And then you want to heat up some tortillas. This is how I do it. And then I threw some cheese in there, threw in the filling, and then added more cheese. And this will make like 30 tacos. I just use a whole bag of tortillas, and then you just want to cook it on both sides for a couple minutes until they are nice and crispy like that. Then just add some hot sauce or salsa, and it is so good, y'all, I promise.